Here is the Subaru Outback. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Subaru emblem right there, put one finger there and then push it left, and while it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This hood stays in place being supported by those two hood struts right over there. Now let's start with the driver's side. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is behind it. We have to first get this cover off. This cover is not held in place by any clips or bolts, so you'll be able to just pull it and then bend it and get it out of the way. I'll show you how to put it back in detail later on. Now let's just focus over here, and that is the bulb holder for the turn signal bulb. Just grab it and twist to the left a little bit to loosen it. That's it. Now it's loose. At this point we can get it out, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 7440A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb and push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting it back in the light, it may not just drop in right away. Like, it may not just sit in flush. So you have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in, like this. At this point, you'll be able to twist your right to lock it, and you're done. Now you see this little hook over there? It goes right in that metal slot. Right over there. Yeah. You put it right inside over there, and now you'll be able to get this cover back in place. Press it and it's good. Moving on now to the passenger side, exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Let's get this cover off, and now let's find the bulb holder. It's right there. Just grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. Same bulb, 7440A, and same thing when you're putting it back into the light. You have to be patient. It may take a few seconds of twisting and turning before it just drops right in. See, this is not going in right now, so let's move this around, and good. Now it goes in. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and we are done. And let's get this cover back in. Get that hook in the metal slot there. Press this. Now in the car, let's go ahead and turn the emergency lights. The four-way flashes on to check the bulbs. The driver's side is working good, and so is the passenger side, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, just grab it, push it down, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.